fishing. I'm gonna catch something. I am at Curtis Reservoir in Pennsylvania. We're gonna catch something. Beautiful, beautiful setting. I don't know if you can see. So let's figure this out. Oh wow. You're just chilling there. That's big. All right, so we did not catch much, but we did end up catching some brook trout. Uh, so I'm gonna grill these guys. First things first, man. I'm gonna put some olive oil around it. We're gonna baste this olive oil both sides and the cavity. We're gonna keep these guys fresh, man. Wild caught, salt, pepper, a little bit of paprika, both sides and the cavity, and then I'm gonna stuff it with some lemon, some shallots, and some fresh dill. And then we're gonna hit this on the grill. All right, get some cooking twine, some tongue twine, and we're gonna truss this guy up so that they don't fall apart in the grill. I want to keep the stuffing in there while it's cooking. All right, this baby is ready for the grill. We're gonna do about 3 minutes aside, not even. This is gonna cook quick. It's a small fish. Let's take it to the grill. Step one when you're grilling whole fish, folks, the grill grates have to be very clean. You gotta clean these guys uh, pretty well. Make sure there's nothing on there. This prevents the fish from sticking, and you want your charcoals to be nice and hot, red, um, As you can see, mine are just fiery red. Right on top of the grates. Don't touch it. Don't move it. Let it sit. It's gonna take about 2.5 minutes. I'm gonna check it maybe, but don't disturb it. Just let it go. Fish has a way of telling you when it's ready. If you just grab it and lift it out and it lifts out nicely, it's ready to go. If it's stick, it's not done. So yeah, it's ready. Other side, another 2 minutes, and we are done.
Perfect. No sticking. All right, get a plate. Take this out. All right, I think we are done. Woo! Trout.
All right, wine, trout. Let's give this a taste. Wine first. Yes. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Next time you catch some trout, if you do catch, they're elusive. Or if you buy some, grill the darn thing. Shallots, lemon, fresh dill, olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika. That's all it was. Thank you for spending time with me. Appreciate you.